Dear student, welcome to Lacas Public School and College online class. I hope everybody enjoy online class and everybody stay in your home. Dear student, in our previous class, I discuss with you simple equations from chapter 7.1. I hope everybody understands simple equations and I do some mathematical problem. I hope everybody understand that mathematical problems. Today I will discuss with you a creative questions from chapter 7.1. I hope everybody enjoy this class. Okay. My stream is x by 6 minus x by 5 equal x by 15 minus x by 3 plus 7. Second equation 2x minus 13 by 9 minus x minus 3 by 5 equal 3 minus x plus 3 by 15. It is my stream of these creative questions. First questions, find the LCM of denominators of the equation 1. Second question, find the solution of the equation 2 and find the solution of the equation number 1. Okay. Now I will try to solve number A questions. Find the LCM of the denominators of the equations 1. Now look, equation 1 is, at first I write down, equation 1 is x by 6 minus x by 5 equal x by 15 minus x by 3 plus 7. Here denominators 6, 5, 15, 3. I find out the, so denominator denominators of the equation now 1 is 6, 5, 15 and 3. Okay, now find out LCM 6, 5, 15, 3. Okay, Euclidean method, we find out LCM 3, 3 দুগুণে 6, 5, 3 5 15, 1. Okay, 5, 2, 1, 1, 1. So the required LCM is the required LCM is 3 into 5 into 2. So we can write 3 upon 30. This is answer. It is very simple for you. I hope everyone understand this LCM. So we find out the required LCM is 30. Okay. Number B, find the solution of equation 2. Equation B now. Equation 2 is 2x minus 13 divided 9 minus x minus 3 by 5 equal 3 minus x plus 3 by 15. Okay. At first we can write it 9 5. Sorry. Now I shift minus x plus 3 by 15. 2x minus 13 by 9 minus x minus 3 by 5. Now shift x plus 3 by 15 from right hand side to left hand side, then it will be plus. So we can write it plus x plus 3 by 15 equal 3. Okay. Now find out LCM of 9, 5 and 15. 9, 5 and 15. LCM will be 45. Now you check 9, 5, 15, 5, 9, 1, 3, 3, 3, 1, 1. Then it will be 45. LCM will be 45. Okay. Now divided 45 by 9. Then it will be 5. 5 into, we can write it 5 into 2x minus 13 minus. Now divided 45 by 5. Then it will be 9. 9 into, we can write it 9 into x minus 3 plus divided 45 by 15. Then it will be 3. So we can write 3 into x plus 3 equal 3. Okay. আশা করি তোমরা বুঝতে পেরেছো আমরা ভগ্নাংশের সরল যেভাবে করে আমরা ওই ভগ্নাংশের সরলই করেছি। আমাদের লসাগু ছিল 45, তাহলে আমাদের হর দ্বারা লসাগু ডিভাইডেড করলে আমি কত পাচ্ছি, 9 দ্বারা যদি 45 কে ডিভাইড করি তাহলে 5 পাচ্ছি, 5 লবের সাথে গুণ হবে 5 into 2x minus 13। সেম ওয়ে আমরা কাজগুলো করেছি। ওকে, নাও মাল্টিপ্লাই 45, 5 দুগুণে 10 10x, 5 13 65 minus 9x, this minus sign, it will be plus, so we can write 3 9 27 plus 3x plus 9 equal 3. Okay, or we can write it 45. Now plus 10x plus 3x, then it will be 30x. 30x minus 9x. Okay, plus 27 plus 9 minus 65 plus 6, 27 plus 9, then it will be 36. Okay. Okay, now we can write it, or look, 13x minus 9x plus 13x minus 9x, then it will be 5x. 5x 9, sorry, 6x, 9 10 11 12 13, 4x, sorry, 4x minus 6 এসে 15 হবে কত হলে 9 2 29 by 45 equal 3, or equal 6 এসে 15 ভিতরে 9, হাতের স্থিতি 3 এর 4 যদি 6। Now multiply both sides, 4x minus 29 equal 45 into 3, or 4x minus 29, it will be 15 5 13, or 4x equal 135 plus 29, or 4x equal 9 5 14 4 3 2 5 রেখে 6 1. Okay, or x equal 164 by 4, so result will be 41. So x equal 41. Dear student, দেখো আমি 13x minus 9x, 13x থেকে 9x মাইনাস করলে কত পাচ্ছি 4x, আর প্লাস মাইনাস 65 প্লাস 36, তাহলে মাইনাস 65 থেকে প্লাস 36 মাইনাস করলে কত পাচ্ছি মাইনাস 29, বিকজ পোস্টের আগে চিহ্ন ছিল কি মাইনাস, তার জন্য মাইনাস 29 হয়েছে। ক্রস মাল্টিপ্লিকেশন, আমাদের এদিকে ডিনোমিনেটর হলো 1, তাহলে 1 যদি নিউমারেটরের সাথে গুণ হয় তাহলে কি হবে 4x minus 29 হবে, 1 এটার সাথে গুণ করলে আমরা এটাই পাচ্ছি 4x minus 29, আর 45 into 3. Calculation, simple calculation. I hope everybody understand this calculation. This is the required solution of this equation number 2. This is answer. Okay, 41. Now number C. Number C, same math, find the solution of the equation number 1. So at first I write down equation number 1 is x by 6 minus x by 5 equal x by 15 minus x by 3 plus 7. Okay, now I shift x by 15 from right side to left side and x by 3 from right side to left side. So we can write it x by 6 minus x by 5 minus x by 15 plus x by 3 equal 7, or we can write it LCM of denominator 6, 5, 15, 3. We can write it LCM will be 30. LCM will be 30. Now divided 30 by 6, then it will be 5x. We can write it 6x minus 30 divided 15, it will be 2. So we can write it 2x plus 10x equal 7. I hope everybody understand this calculation. Simple calculation. LCM আমাদের কত ছিল 30, 6 দ্বারা 30 কে ডিভাইড করলে আমি কত পাচ্ছি 5 পাচ্ছি, 5 একসাথে গুণ করলে 5x পাচ্ছি। ওকে, সেম ওয়ে। Or we can write, at first I write plus 10x plus 5x, then it will be 15x minus 6x minus 2x, it will be 8x equal 7. Or we can write 15x 8 से 15 ভিতরে কত হলো 7x by 30 equal 7. Or we can write cross multiplications, denominator here 1 into 7x, then it will be 7x, or we can 7x equal 30 into 7. Okay, now shift 7 because here 7 is multiplied, so when you shift 7 then it will be divided, so we can write x equal 30 into 7 by 7. This 7 out, so we can write it x equal 30. This is the required solution of equation number 1. Dear student, I hope everybody understand these creative questions. If do you have any problem, please ask me. I will try to answer your questions. Thank you everybody.